Good morning friend. Today we want to start new chapter, that is chapter number 10, that is circle. Today we want to start new chapter 10. Already 1 to 9 chapter we have completed and 12 and 15. So 1 to 9, 12 and 15, and that is chapter number 10. So now only 3 chapter remaining. So what is the name of a chapter? That is circles. So it is also used for 9th and 10th also. In 10th standard, chapter number 10 is also circle. So here these are all the examples related circle in our daily life. If you will see in our daily life, there are many figures whose shape is equal to the circle. So here wheel, I think you have seen it, clock, here again key ring, we can say it is a circle, button, we can say it is a circle, bangle, we can say circle, and coins. These are all are related with the circle. 50 paisa, 1 rupees, 5 rupees. These are all the figure reference with the circle. Now we go for the, in this lecture, how many topics we have to take, that we have to discuss first, and then we go for topic. So already you have concept related with circle in primary level, but here we have to go some different way. So first, circle and its related terms. So which are the terms? That we can say diameter, radius, chord. These are all the terms: diameter, radius, chord. Angle subtended by a chord of a circle. If we will see there is a one circle and here it is a chord, then we can generate one angle. So perpendicular from the center of the chord. Perpendicular from the center of chord. Three circle through 3 points. Circle can pass from the 3 different points. Equal chords to their distance from the center. Angle subtended by an arc of a circle. Cyclic quadrilateral. If I will draw one circle and if I will put forward point, we can say it is a cyclic quadrilateral. And last, conclusion. So these are all the topics that we want to discuss. Now today our target is up to first and second topic we have to discuss, and then we have complete exercise 10.1. So first topic is circle and its related terms. Circle and its related terms. A review. What is the definition of circle? It is defined. So maybe possible that question like define circle. Collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called circle. Collection of all the points in the plane which are at fixed distance from a fixed point. So you will see that here it is a O is a fixed point in a plane. So here it is a one plane. If we will draw like figure, so here it is a one plane. We can name alpha, and which are at fixed distance. So these are all the points that are at a fixed distance. So that is the definition. You must remember anyhow. Someone say what is the meaning of circle? Collection of all points in a plane which is at equidistance from a, which are at fixed distance, or we can say equidistance, or we can say equidistance from the fixed point in a plane is called circle. That is a definition. Now terms related it. So first of all, terms related it. Okay. So here these are all the terms related with the circle. So first we discuss that radius, diameter, center, chord, arc and sector. These are all the terms related with the circle. Someone asked you, okay, say some term related with the circle, then we can go these terms. A line segment joining the center and any point on the circle is called radius of a circle. So if you will hear center, a line segment joining, if I will join this, a line segment joining the center, here we can say M. A line segment joining the center and any point on the circle is also called radius of a circle. So OM we can say radius. Another we can say also OB is a radius. Another AO is a radius. Line segment. Generally we can symbol like that, or we have to write line segment. So that is a definition of radius. So this is a radius. Again here it is a radius. Here it is a radius. It is equal. Line segment joining the center and any point on the circle is called radius of a circle. Diameter is twice times the radius. So D is equal to, we can write 2R. So what is R here? Here OB, if I will write OB, twice of OB is equal to AB. So AB is called diameter. Here AB is called diameter. So it is easy. If radius is equal to 5 cm, then diameter is equal to 2R. The definition of diameter means diameter is a chord, is also a longest chord which pass from the center. So one type of questions name, that is, we can ask question like the longest chord that pass from the center is called diameter. Now third, here it is O. A fixed point is called the center of a circle. So here we can show symbol circle with fixed point, that is, here we can say R. A fixed point is called the center of a circle. If we take 2 points P and Q on a circle, then line segment joining PQ is called chord of a circle. So here it is also a chord. So line segment, we can say chord PQ. Line segment PQ is called chord of a circle. We can take 2 points P and Q. AB, we can say also AB is a chord. AB is also a chord. We can say it is also a diameter and it is also a chord. Why? Because it is passed from the center. Chord which is passed from the center is called diameter. The chord which pass from center is, the chord which passes from center is called diameter. That is also a definition. Piece of circle between 2 points is called arc. Here we can say length. So symbol of arc is like PQ and it is arc. Piece again. A piece of circle, so circle it's a one type of piece only. So circumference of circle, part of it. Arc is a part of circumference. It is a part of circumference. Now sector. Region between an arc. So region between an arc and 2 radii. And 2 radii. We can say here 2 radii. Joining the center to the end point of arc is called sector. So OP, here if I will write name M, then OPMQ is a region that is called sector. So we can go through different figure, then we have understand it properly. So now division of circle, it is also important topic. A circle divide the plane on which it lies into three parts. A circle divide the plane, here is a plane alpha. Divide the plane on which it lies in three parts. They are which inside the circle, it is called interior, which is called interior of a circle. Circle itself. So we go for here. Outside the circle, which is also called the exterior of the circle. The circle and the interior make up circular region. So three parts, exterior, interior and circle. Greater than radius, greater than radius. So greater than radius, point greater than radius. They are exterior. So if point here P, Q and point less than radius, they are interior. So here point A, here point B, they are interior. And equal to radius, they are on circle. So these are related with the parts of circle. These are all the definitions. Now, just now we have discussed about sector, segment, arc, minor arc. So first of all, we can take a line segment PQ. We can take a line segment PQ and a point R not on the line joining PQ. Join PR and QR, then PRQ is called angle subtended by line segment PQ at R. So this is a line segment. Now if I will join this, angle subtended by line segment PQR at R. POQ is an angle subtended by the chord PQ at the center. PRQ, so PRQ and PSQ are respectively angles subtended by the chord PQ. At R and S are on the major and minor arc. That is important, R and S. So we can take S at here. We can take S at here. We can take here. We can take R. Here we can take. So now we go for deeply. What is minor arc? So PQ here. It is minor arc. So remaining part, that is major arc related with circumference. Sector joining P and Q, it is called minor sector. Here it is called major sector. Line segment, now if I join the line segment, then we can say it is a minor segment. Here it is a major segment. So always remember that minor arc, major arc, minor sector, major sector, minor segment, major segment. Now one more figure is there. Here it is called semi-circular arc. So now that is for topic related. We have completed. Now we go for exercise 10.1. center of a circle lies in dash of the circle, that is interior part. It is in a interior part. A point whose distance from the center of circle is greater than radius lies on exterior part. Chord of a circle, longest chord of a circle is called diameter of a circle. So if we can draw one circle. Now here point, so it is the interior part. Point whose distance from the center is greater than the radius lies on. So here and here point P. If I join this, and here it is Q. So OQ is radius. So OP is greater than radius. So we can say exterior. Longest chord of a circle. So if we draw one circle, and if I will pass chord from the center, then longest chord of a circle is called diameter. An arc is a dash when ends on the diameter. So use arc. So it is called semicircular arc. Semicircular arc when it ends point. So it's a semicircle. Segment of a circle. Segment of a circle is the region. So already we saw the figure like that. Segment of a circle. Here it is a segment. It is called segment, minor segment. Segment of a circle which is region between arc. Here it is arc. And AB is a chord. Circle divide the plane on which it lies in three parts. So all MCQ based or 1 marks question from this lesson is like that is interior, center of the circle lies. So these are all the definition, related definition. Now question number 2, that is true and false. Write true and false, give reason for your answer. A line segment joining the center to any point on a circle. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is called radius of a circle. So in circle there is a point P, there is a point Q, there is a point R. Here it is a center. If I join this, so these are all called radius. So it is related with the term radius. So that is the first question. Line segment joining the, so we can say it is a true. So first answer is true. Reason is what? Generally all point on a circle. Reason is all point on a circle. First is true. All point on a circle are equidistant from center. All points on a circle are equidistant from a point. A circle has only finite number of equal chords, that is false. Because we can draw infinite chords. These are all the chords. So it is also false. Circle has infinite chords. If a circle divided into 3 equal parts, arc, each is a measure, false again. It is a false. Each part will be less than semicircle. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as radius, then it is a diameter. Yes, it is true. It is true. Why? Because already we know that diameter is equal to twice into radius. A sector is a region between chord and corresponding arc. Sector is a region between chord and corresponding segment, not a arc. So again it is false. And circle is a plane figure. True. Circle is drawn on a plane figure. Circle is drawn on a plane figure. So mostly I have completed 10.1 with topic. In next lecture we go for the next topic. So today's topic is sufficient. Already I have cleared everything related circle, definition, parts of circle, radius, diameter, center, chord, arc and sector, different figure of it, 10.1 exercise and 10.2 that I have clear. So it is sufficient for today. Now we go in next lecture, we go for next topic.